Hey Queens, it's your girl Venus C, the influencer, here with another video. And this one is how to clean and sanitize your brushes. There's so many products out there, there's so many different ways you can do it. But at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you are washing and sanitizing your brushes. So this is a review on the Limelight by Alcone, and I'll tag the information down below on where you can find it. And just stay tuned on how I clean and sanitize my brushes. Now, there's always room for improvement. I don't have a rack, so that's something that I can work on getting, because you want to make sure that your brushes are facing downward. But stay tuned, and thank you for support. And I love you guys. Mwah. I'm going to use the Limelight by Alcone. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to use my unicorn brush from Real Techniques. Gonna wet it a little bit with, ooh, that's hot water. I didn't want to wet it with hot water. And we're just going to massage it in there. This stuff works magic. Look at this, y'all. So that's about as much as I put on there. It's really important to clean your brushes because your brushes have so much bacteria and dirt. And honestly, I mean, I haven't been the best, but I've gotten more serious about it because I like my face to be clear. So you always want to have it at a downward position because the glue that's holding the brush hairs together, if you tilt it up, the water will get in the brush and it will break down the glue, and then the fibers will, the hairs will start falling out. Here we are, here we are. That's just like, was like a quick, literally like 2 minutes. It still has a little bit of staining. So rinse, get all that dirt out. Oh, and this stuff sanitizes your brushes as well. That's why I really like it. And it's all natural. So this is Limelight by Alcone. And this is the Come Clean Young Coconut Milk Brush and Sponge Shampoo. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't come out. Because I don't like that the makeup builds up right there. I think it kind of defeats the purpose a little bit, because it's like, okay, there's makeup, there's dirt just sitting in there, but I guess, it's a sanitizer, so it should be fine. Alright, so this is me a second time going over it. Like I said, to your brushes, you want to put good energy in your brushes. I know it might sound crazy. Don't pay attention to somebody else. I'm getting them done tomorrow. But you want to put good energy in your brushes. You don't want to rush. So pick a day where you, like a cleaning day. Most people clean on Sundays. And just spend a good amount, like 30 minutes washing your brushes, depending on how many brushes you have. I have a good amount. So, there's still some brushes I need to wash. But I just wanted to show you guys what I do. And I don't have a rack right now, so I'm actually not drying it the best way. But honestly, I just have it like tilted on the side of the sink like that, even though the water probably will get in there just a little bit because you want it to be facing down. But I don't have anything to hold it. So it's going to kind of be at an angle a little bit.